What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Nutella lovers unite, because today I have some delicious Nutella cheesecake, guys. This is so good, so amazing. Can't wait for you to try it. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Leave your boy a like as well as a comment. Let me know what you think, and let's get started. So these are the ingredients that we'll be using for our cheesecake. On the screen, I listed everything that's necessary to get it done, so you get your shopping list put together, so you go ahead and whip it up just like me. So we're gonna be using our stand mixer, but of course, if you have a hand mixer, it will work as well. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in our room temperature cream cheese, as well as our sugar, as well as our all-purpose flour, and we're gonna give that a mix, get that going first. And guys, drop down in the comments, have you ever tried Nutella cheesecake before? And are you a Nutella fan? As well as, hey, what are some other cool cheesecake flavors you want me to kind of play around with and bring to you guys? Because I'm not gonna lie to you, cheesecake is my absolute #1 dessert, hands down, no questions about it. I love cheesecake. It's not too good for the waistline, but it sure is good for the taste buds, guys. All right, we're gonna go ahead and stop the mixer at this point and add in that Nutella. Man, I love me some Nutella, especially with some pretzels. Nutella is another one of my favorites. This is like, I'm telling you, this is the best of both worlds for me. Cheesecake, Nutella, together. So good. And as you've seen, yes, I added the vanilla abstract, and I'm gonna, give this a nice little mix as well. And as it's mixing, you're gonna see me slowly add in our eggs. But yes, this is the best of both worlds for me. I don't know about you, but yes, Nutella cheesecake, man, say less. So you want to continue mixing until you have this consistency. Yes, it should be looking just like so. Once that's all said and done, you want to make sure your oven is preheating to about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. And we will be using a pre-made crust. Yeah, you can make one from scratch, but ain't nothing wrong with a shortcut here and there. And this pie crust that we bought is absolutely delicious, so I have no problem with it. So we're just gonna dump our mix in there, and once that's in our pie crust, we want to go ahead and grab a bigger container that's oven safe, and we want to fill it with water. What that's gonna be is kind of like a little bath for our pie. I said pie, you know what I mean, cheesecake, of course. And what that does is gonna help it cook more evenly. So as you see, I have a little thing of water here. We're gonna drop our pie. Bro, I said pie again. Oh my goodness. We're gonna drop our cheesecake in there, and we're gonna toss it in the oven at 300 degrees for about an hour and a half. You want to keep an eye on it, guys. So once your cheesecake is about fully cooked, you want to go ahead and turn your oven off and crack that door open. What this does is gradually cool down your cheesecake and prevents a lot of that cracking that happens when you immediately just pull it out. Once it's completely cooled down, you want to go ahead and refrigerate it for about 4 to 5 hours at least. And once that's done, we're gonna get a delicious whipped cream going. On the screen, I have listed the ingredients that we're gonna need. We're gonna toss them in our stand mixer and get to whipping, guys. This is so good. This is so good. Like, when I tell you it's so good, it's because it's so good. You like, when this is done, you're gonna just sit here with a big old spoon and just eat the whipped cream just like that. Cause I'm telling you, it is off the charts, guys. So amazing. So you want to keep on whipping until you have this consistency, guys. And I went ahead and put my whipped cream in a piping bag. But if you want, you could just grab a spoon and just dollop some right on top of your cheesecake. But I wanted to be all fancy. I got myself a piping bag and we gonna pipe it up and pipe it out, guys. Just like so, guys. So I also went ahead and drizzled a little bit of chocolate syrup, guys, just like so. Helps out with the presentation, makes it look oh so delicious. Not that it needs any help, because it, absolutely is delicious. You can also, crumble some pretzels and sprinkle that on top. There's all type of things you could do when it comes to garnishing this cheesecake, guys. Man, you have to. You are obligated to try this. How could you not, guys? Nutella cheesecake. Let me say that one more time. Just one more time, guys. Nutella cheesecake. Yes. Man, I couldn't think of a better combination, guys. It's so good, especially with that whipped cream, guys. Man, when you taste that whipped cream, guys, just wait on it. Because, like, it's so hard to just put this in words. Guys, it's amazing. It's off the charts. Try this. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. I will see you on the next one. Deuces.